Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by validating the exact UPI ID string. Small typos break searches. Once done, open your primary UPI app and copy the ID into a Notes app so you don't retype it. Make sure you have a second device or an incognito browser tab ready. This lets you try multiple tools without linking accounts. You'll act quickly between apps to test visibility and record any return names or handles, so keep everything handy for the next steps. Now you perform focus searches to surface an associated name. In your UPI app, start a pay or collect request and paste the ID. Some apps display the recipient's name before you confirm. Next, try reverse UPI directories and social search engines with the ID. They often link to profiles or posts. Once you see a candidate name or business, cross-check it on social media and messaging apps to confirm the person's identity and any public phone numbers attached to that profile. Finally, verify any phone number you found before assuming it's correct. You should message or call politely from your verified number, explain why, and request confirmation. Keep interactions brief and respectful. If identity remains uncertain and you have a legitimate reason, contact the bank's customer support, but expect identity checks and limited disclosure. If nothing appears, retry after clearing caches and using different networks. Privacy settings or recent UPI changes can hide details, so patience and repeated safe checks often resolve the issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.